Now we shall solve numerical. Basically there will be two types of numerical. One is like this. So let's say this medium is water or glass. I am taking it as water or glass, and this medium is air. So this is a problem. And another type of problem is like this. This medium is glass and this medium is water. So what are the difference between these two medium? So first of all, here the denser medium is water or glass, whatever, and the rarer medium is air. So this is the important thing. Rarer medium is air, and here the rarer medium is, instead of air, it can be anything. So there, this is type 2 and this is denser medium. Okay, so when you are calculating rarer medium is air, that will be a easier problem. Okay, and then we can apply this formula. Okay, that's mean here we can apply theta c equal to sine inverse 1 by mu. Okay, so basically you don't have to remember this formula. So how to solve? Just look at this. First of all, what I have told you, the necessary condition is that it is going from denser to rarer. Denser to rarer. So which one denser here? Water is denser, this is rarer. So just a light incident here and it passed through this. As it is critical angle, so of course this will be 90 degrees. So this is 90 degree. Refractive index of water will be given, that is mu equal to 4 by 3. Okay, I am taking it as mu1, and this is mu2 equal to air, that is 1. Now apply Snell's law. You can apply this formula directly. I am coming here. Okay, before that, just look at this. This is theta c, we have to calculate this, and this is r, that is 90 degrees given. So I am applying formula. Mu1 sine theta c equal to mu2 sine r. This is general formula of Snell's law. So mu1, so sine theta c equal to, we can write mu2 by mu1, sine r means sine 90, that is 1. So what is mu2 here? That is 1. And what is mu1 here? That is 4 by 3. So I can write it as 3 by 4. So the answer here, that is theta c equal to sine inverse 3 by 4. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, from here you can calculate directly. Sine inverse, this mu means density of the denser medium. Okay, we have done like this. Mu equal to mu, any medium I told. So with respect to here, this is denser medium. So this is basically denser medium. Denser. Okay. So denser medium means 1 by, here the denser medium is 4 by 3. 4 by 3. So sine inverse 3 by 4. So this is a process you are following the mathematics, and this is the process you are following the formula only. Choice is yours. But in this case is very much important. It is given. This is mu1, let's say 3 by 2 is given. It will be given, and this is mu2. This is 4 by 3. Okay. And as I told you, light must have to go from denser to rarer. Here glass is denser, water is rarer. The density beshi glass is to. Okay. So let's say a ray of light is coming here and it is passing through this. Okay, and this is theta c here, and this is 90 degree, and this is r, and this is I. Again I am applying this formula. So mu1 sine theta c equal to mu2 sine r. So sine theta c, that is equal to mu2 by mu1. Sine r means sine 90 degree. Right? Now what is the value of mu2? That is 4 by 3. Just put it. What is the value of mu1? That is 3 by 2. That is 3 by 2. So this is 8 by 9. So here theta c equal to sine inverse 8 by 9. Is it okay? So this is how you have to solve the problem. Okay, but actually this process is more efficient. This process is more efficient. মানে কখনো যদি এইরকম হয়, তোরা ভুল করে এটা করেছিস, যে সাপোজ এইরকম দেওয়া আছে ফিগারটা, ওকে, দেন ইউ মে ফেস প্রবলেম। ওকে, লেটস সে এটা mu2 দেওয়া আছে, এটা mu1 দেওয়া আছে, তখন তোরা কোন ফর্মুলাটা অ্যাপ্লাই করবি ভেবে দেখ তো। তো অত কিছু না ভেবে ডিরেক্ট স্নেলস ল অ্যাপ্লাই করে দে না, তাহলেই তো ঝামেলা মিটে যায়। mu2 sin theta c equal to mu1 sin 90, দেখ এটার মতো নয়, বাট উই আর ফলোয়িং দ্য ফর্মুলা mu2 sin theta c equal to mu1 sin 90. ওকে, সো mu2 sin theta c equal to mu1 sin 90. This is apart from this formula. Here mu1 sin theta c, and we have written mu2 sin theta c because the figure is different. Okay, just follow this rule. This is better. That means this process is better. This process is better than using formula directly. Is it okay?